Hi everyone, welcome to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy simple step on how to activate your Loft credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the URL box at the top and type in d.community.net/loftcard and press enter on your keyboard. From the main official website of All Rewards, go to the Activate Card button from the top of the screen and give it a click. Right where you can see Activate Card, go ahead and enter your card account number in the first text box, and soon after you do that, go to the next field where it says expiration date and type in your expiry date for your card. Soon after you do that, you'll need to identify yourself. Click on the drop down and select any one option, whether it is your social security number, social insurance number, or alternate identification. Choose any one option that you have available right now, and on the next field, type in your credential according to your choice. Since I've selected social security number, it is asking me for the last four number of my social security. Now simply type in your last four digit and then type in your zip code or your postal code on the next field. Finally, after filling in all of the details, click the continue button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to activate your Loft credit card online. That is how you'll be able to activate your Loft credit card online quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.